Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, DOOGEE X97 Pro, and now I'll show you how to improve battery life on this device. So, this is very easy to do. To improve battery life on your device, you just need to make two things. First thing is to disable all unnecessary features right now for you. So just open the control panel, here find all features that you are not using right now and disable it. For example, if you are using mobile data, disable Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, disable the mobile data. Disable Bluetooth if you don't listen to music using your earbuds or your device is not connected to your Mi Band or Smart Band. Disable nearby share because it's constantly searching for nearby devices. Hotspot because it's consuming a lot of battery power. Disable NFC if you don't want to pay right now. So if you want to pay by NFC, you need to open control panel, enable NFC and pay. So it's very easy and it's safer than have NFC always enabled. And of course here we have location services. I suggest disable it too if you don't need to use maps right now. That's great. If you will disable all unnecessary features in this way, your device will live longer because all of these features are constantly searching for their networks, for their services. And in this way, if you even don't use these features, they are consuming the battery power, so just disable it to save your battery. The second aspect is of course your screen brightness. So reduce the screen brightness. Don't enable auto brightness. It is not too good feature to save your battery life. So just reduce screen brightness on your device. This is the best way to improve battery life. You don't need to enable dark mode because you have LCD screen. Black mode, dark mode is useless for LCD screen. So just reduce screen brightness on your device. Of course, you can enable the power saving mode. And of course it will help you because power saving mode enabling the fast disabling mode, so it's standby time for your screen. So if you have for example in normal mode 1 minute of screen disabling, here you will have 10 seconds. Okay, so it's not too good feature to save your battery, but if you need to improve your battery life for 5-7%, so it's a good feature to try. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.